A kid finally got the puppy they wished for best day ever.
Oh my goodness, Shelby. Oh my god.
Best Christmas surprise ever. Our new pup Sawyer has completed our family.
Mary, are you happy, guys? What do you think about that?
Thank you so much.
From now on, this little girl has a new rule in life. Every candy comes with a tiny tax for the dog.
What is it? It's what? It's a puppy. What are you gonna name her?
The kids think it's just a normal bag, and then suddenly Dobby pops out.
Grab the shopping. Oh, grab the shopping. How cute is he?
I don't think I would have.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh no. His name's Dobby. Yeah, they've already named you. Sorry, it's Dobby.
Oh, I like Dobby.
Oh, no. Do you want to touch it? Yes.
All year he's been asking for a puppy. This is your sign. Just get the puppy. The look on his face is so worth it.
What?
Thank you for getting me a pup.
You love her?
Thank you.
Don't start crying.
Bringing home our OES, we named him Roffus, and honestly, it feels like we didn't choose him, he chose us. The moment he saw the kids, his tail started wagging like he just found his lifelong best friends. Safe to say, Roffus didn't just come home with us, he came home to his whole little family.
Why is so big?
No.
He's still a puppy though.
Liam has been really sad since we lost Marley. He brought so much love into our lives, and his absence left a big hole in our hearts. This new pup can't replace Marley, but he's already bringing love and smiles back into our home. We're so happy to welcome another little wiener dog into the family.
Is that your new baby? No. He's so excited to meet you. Say hi. That's your brother. That's your brother.
A mother shared the moment her little girl met a dog for the first time. She said she had never seen her child so calm, so amazed, and so overwhelmed with happiness.
It's a little puppy. I love it. He's licking me very much.
She's happy.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's nice.
Do you want to pick her up? What do you think?
I think I love her.
Oh, I love Putty.
Look at it.
Just talk about her in the room.
Oh my god!
Because she heard it.
Her reaction was priceless.
This is Bob Jr. Come say hi. Do you love him?
No.
Yeah.
The least I could do for this hard-working man of mine, she said, and suddenly there was the dog he had dreamed about for years. Mission accomplished. Not sure what his official name is, but boy oh boy, he's a sweet little thing. Welcome to the family, bud. Meet our little fur baby, Casanova, the tiny boss with paws, big attitude, and a talent for stealing hearts in seconds.
It's your dog. Come on.
Give it.
One day, your daughter will beg you for a German Shepherd. The most important thing you can do is give her that little GSD puppy. Sometimes, a dog becomes a best friend for life. Today we surprise these kids with a puppy, an English bulldog.
Yeah. It's your puppy. You want to sit down there? Yeah. Yeah.
Have you got his food?
Yeah, got everything. She's got her own bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can say thanks to your mum and dad.
Thanks.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that? Is that her puppy?
Yeah.
No, you did not. Hi. This is so cute. It's cute. Okay. Does he scratch?
It's playful.
A surprise for the boy. And now we have 2 dogs, Bean and Cheese. Double the pups, double the fun.
Put your seatbelt on. Come here. Oh my god. He smells just like cheese. He smells like a baby, or he smells like a baby. Hey. What do you see? Do they like each other? Yeah.
After a long night at work, I came home expecting peace and quiet, only to discover I had somehow become a mother overnight, thanks to one tiny puppy waiting for me like I'd just been promoted to mom.
That's your baby. I got a little bit early Christmas present for you.
This Christmas gift is amazing. He literally popped out of the box like the best surprise ever.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hey! What are you doing? What you doing? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you for real? Hey, baby.
After both of my granddads' 7-year-old Labradors passed away this year, the house felt a little too quiet. So, we decided it was time for a surprise, one tiny puppy, a wagging tail, and a brand new chapter of love. He showed up right at the door, and suddenly the whole house was surprised.
Rachel. Oh my god. That's your Christmas present, Merry Christmas.
Both of you said. Didn't you get the text message I sent?
I am so glad I got to be here to witness this treasured moment. My precious mama has lost one too many animals this year, and she has been ready for another puppy for a while now. We searched and finally found the perfect match, Tinkerbell.
Merry Christmas!
That's eggnog.
That's eggnog.
Are you
I
serious?
wasn't gonna do it, but then when you called me after,
I sent my husband to buy groceries. He came back with 2 dogs, Ketchup and Sriracha.
The boy.
That's the boy.
Yeah, he's got a red collar on it. The girl has the yellow. Ketchup and mustard. We gotta take care of them. These are gonna be members of our family, okay?
Yeah, go get your baby.
That's not play.
Surprising the kids with the sweetest little puppy will forever be one of my favorite memories. They had been asking for a dog for so long, and my answer was always the same: no, no, no. And then somehow, this little guy just fell right into our lives.
He's yours.
The kids' faces, the laughter, the pure shock. It was the kind of moment you wish you could pause forever. And just like that, our family got a little bigger. Here's to a brand new adventure with our boy, Murphy. Have you ever surprised your kids or been surprised with a puppy like this? Share your story in the comments.
Your pug.
And if
Do you
you
know the
love
name?
these heartwarming moments, don't forget to
Yes.
subscribe to the channel for more beautiful memories.
He's 8 weeks old.
He's just born.